step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby.
Hey y'all, welcome to another vlog. My name is Sharina, also known as Rena. This is my third vlog, y'all, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna try to be consistent and post once every week. So yeah, mess with your girl. So what y'all doing today? I'm about to get ready to take my little son to practice. We have to do that 3 times a week, so that's what I'm about to do right now in a little bit, but nothing much right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do this weekend yet. I'm gonna try to see if there's something fun, or I don't know, maybe just hang out with my cousin or my kids or something. I don't know, but I always stop by my mom's house after I take my son to practice because she lives right around the corner, like from the practice field. So I always stop by her house after practice because she always has something good for lunch for us. So she loves cooking. So yeah, that's probably what I'll do after, but I don't know. It might be a boring weekend for me this weekend. I don't know. But we'll see. We shall see. I watched a few vlogs today. Yeah, nothing else really. My son in the background making hella noise like always. So that's what you hear in the background. It's just my son making a lot of noise like he on the football field. But anyway, I hope y'all having an awesome day. Mine is okay. It could be a little bit better, but I'm not gonna complain because when I'm having a bad day, I just hit my knees and pray, you know, and that seems to help me throughout my day. But I hope y'all having an awesome day. And I'll talk to y'all when I get to football practice. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. As you can see, I got on my work sweater. I work from home, so it's always cold, so I always gotta have a sweater and socks and you know all that stuff. But anyway, I hope y'all having a great day so far. Today is Wednesday, hump day. We got 2 more days to the weekend. I'm really looking forward to that, as I do every weekend. I don't really have plans this weekend, but I'll just be happy when it comes. But I just wanted to come in and say good morning, and I hope everyone is having a great day, even though by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be probably night or afternoon. But anyway, I hope everyone is having a great day, and I will talk to y'all a little bit later. I really don't have nothing to talk about right now, but I'll talk to y'all later. What it is, ho? What's up? I'm just saying. We just got out of practice. No practice tomorrow. It's time to go, little bro. Cause I got them flows. Like, you just messed up my whole rap. I had it going on. Like, you just messed up my whole rap career. Like, I could have really did something. You just messed it up. But what it is, ho? What's up? That's my song. Yeah, I'm so happy we done with practice. Until Saturday, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at here. Look at little sweaty sidekick over there. They tried to throw it in there, but thank the Lord it's going to be a heat advisory. Because I don't want to see this park or none of that. But yeah, like, football season is back in full effect. It is back. And this lady in front of me looking at me in the rearview mirror, she probably like, what the hell is this girl doing? Who's she talking to? But she need to mind her business though, and then we'll all be okay. But anyway, football season is back already, y'all. It is back. The games start early this season. The games start in, well, the end of July this season. Like, that is so early. So yeah, like, my evenings are about to be busy again because my I'm sorry, y'all, my youngest son and my oldest son both play football, and my bonus son, he played football too, and they got, so I'll be going to 3 different football games every single weekend. So yeah, pray for me. I'm probably gonna be burnt dark as crisp by the time the season over with all these games. But it's cool though, because a mother's job is never done, and I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. Hot and sweaty, cold, snow, rain, everything. I'm gonna be there. But yeah, I'm gonna be there. Look at that. Look at the sky in the back. What it is, ho? What's up? Every good girl needs a little love. That's my mom in song, and we ain't gotta go no more. Oh yeah, I'm about to turn this song on. So I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. I just had to come and chit chat just a little bit back. Okay, I'm just so happy that I ain't gotta come to practice tomorrow. So this is how I be acting. Look at this asshole. But yeah, y'all, what it is, ho? I had to do it one more time. All right, bye. What's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. It is 6 a.m. or is it 5 a.m.? I don't know. But I'm on my way to Indiana. Me and my little sidekick in the back, he's taking a little nap, or maybe he pretending to take a nap. But yeah, this is what I'm doing now. I've been on the road since about 4:30 a.m. and I'm feeling good today. I'm feeling great and blessed. I just wanted to come on here and say good morning to my people. So I will have something fun going on instead of me just talking all the time. On the 4th of July, we'll be doing some family things. So I have a little more entertainment then. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say good morning and show y'all the beautiful view of the sky. That was pretty beautiful to me. So I just wanted to show y'all that. And I'll talk to y'all later.
Instead of just taking it off.
It's up to you.
Basketball? Oh,
Yeah.
nobody up in the pool. It's open. I'm holding your hand up in that thing.
Go under, go.
Why?
So, cause I'm recording you. Go back. Go back and go under.
Come behind the line.
Scary. Okay, go. Go. He think he doing something.
They not even really doing nothing. All right, go a little bit deeper then. Get right in front of the wave.
For real, I can see it now. Go under it. Go. It's the closing your nose for me, like. Kanye all the way back there. Back there floating. Stop. I can stop when this is falling. I can watch anyway.
Kobe, come here.
Sell out for them honkies.
Oh,
Don't say nothing bad about
say hi to my vlog. This is my niece Imani.
High five.
And my mama talking about some. It's blurry up in here.
what you left out here.
Oh. FaceTime all day. They hot and sweaty.
It's not a picture, y'all.
Get some in now, cut your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind.